Hi and welcome back. Today we'll be taking a simple example to demonstrate the concept of conditional and total probability. Now in this example, suppose you have two bags, you have to choose one of them and pick out a coin. And the first bag contains 100 gold coins and 200 silver coins. The second one contains 400 gold and 200 silver coins. Now you will choose one of them and you are equally likely to choose one of them. But the point is you have to pick out exactly one coin from whatever bag you choose. Now my question to you is, what's the probability of getting gold? The question is, find the probability of getting a gold coin. Getting a gold coin. So in this case, I want to highlight another thing. How will you design the sample space? Like we know we are going to use conditional probability, but before all that we need to define the sample space, right? So let's go and simulate the process. The first thing you will do is choose a bag. So choosing the bags is equally likely, and after choosing the bag, both bags will have a gold or a silver coin, right? So any outcome is going to be of the form bi. So I is going to be either 1 or 2. So bi denoting the bag, and c. So c denotes which coin you picked out. So that's what I'll write. I is either 1 or 2 depending on the bag, and c is either gold or silver. So this is going to be the type of outcomes we'll be expecting, and there are 4 of those, because from bag 1 you will get 2 and from bag 2 you will get another 2. And now I'm asking the probability of finding a gold coin. So obviously let's look at the probability tree. How does this game work? You select a bag, so you have a bifurcation in the path there. You either select bag 1 or bag 2. Let's go in the bag 1 path. So in the bag 1 path, what's the probability of striking gold? So there are 100 gold coins and 200 silver coins. So obviously the probability of striking gold, given that you selected the bag 1 path, is 1/3. And similarly, if you go down the bag 2 path, then your probability of striking gold there will be 2/3. And so if I use the total probability theorem, the probability of striking gold, I'll use a different color for that. The probability of striking gold there is the probability of gold given you go down the B1 path times what's the probability of going down the B1 path plus the probability of gold if you go down the B2 path times the probability of going down the B2 path. So if you calculate this will be 1/3 times half plus 2/3 times half. Now that will add up to 1/2. Alright, so that's the calculations. This is how you use a probability tree. Alright, so thank you. I hope you understood this example. I'll see you in the next one. Alright, stay tuned.